Dear student, today we learn about antifungal agent. Introduction. The several fungal species which are pathogenic to human. Fungal infection may be classified as superficial, affecting only skin, hair, nails, mucous membrane, and second, the systemic, affecting body as a whole. Antifungal agents are used to treat the superficial as well as the systemic fungal infection. They are also known as mycosis. Classification. Antifungal antibiotic, for example, amphotericin B, nystatin, natamycin, and crucifilin. Carbonylic acid derivative, for example, tolnaptase. Allyl amines, for example, terbinafine. Azole divided into two, imidazole and triazole derivative. Imidazole derivative, example, clotrimazole, ketoconazole, muconazole. Triazole, for example, fluconazole, itraconazole, ticonazole. Pyrimidine derivative, 5-fluorocytosine. Example, acid and other salt. Example, benzoic acid, salicylic acid. And lastly, the miscellaneous agent, chlorpheniramine. Antifungal antibiotic are classified into two classes. One is the polyene antibiotic, which are contain the large number of agent with only a few being useful, for example, amphotericin B and nystatin, and non-pollens, for example, crucifilin. Pollens. The pollens are divided into two groups on the basis of the size of the ring. For example, the macrolide ring, a 26-member ring known nystatin, natamycin, and secondly the 38-member ring, macrocycle ring, amphotericin B and nystatin. The pollens are a series of hydroxyl group on acid derivative portion of the ring. Secondly, the glycosidically linked deoxyaminohexose called as the mycosamine, and the number of double bond in the macrocyclic ring are also differ. In natamycin, smallest macrocycle in pentane, nystatin is a hexane, and amphotericin B is a heptane. First, amphotericin B Cold Italy in 1956 was reported the isolation of amphotericin B. The mixture of two compounds, namely amphotericin A and amphotericin B, was isolated, but amphotericin B proved to be a more active and hence used clinically. Properties: it is yellow crystalline compound sparingly soluble in organic solvent but insoluble in water. Amphotericin B forms salt with both acid as well as the base, and the salt is also sparingly soluble in water and hence cannot be used systemically. Chemistry of amphotericin B: as the name implies, amphotericin B is an amphoteric substance with primary amino group attached to the mycosamine ring and a carboxylic group on a macrocycle. Mode of action of amphotericin B: the drug is used as a fungistatic as well as the fungicidal depending upon the concentration. If we are using the low concentration, it shows the fungistatic action, and if we are using the higher concentration, that time it shows the fungicidal action. Amphotericin B binds to the fungal cell membrane component known as the ergosterol, leading to increased fungal cell membrane permeability and the loss of intracellular constituent. Uses: amphotericin B useful for the treatment of systemic infection. It is also active against Candida species as well as the Aspergillus species. Liposomal amphotericin B are useful in the treatment of pulmonary aspergillosis. Amphotericin B is also used topically to treat cutaneous and mucocutaneous mycosis caused by Candida albicans. The oral suspension is used to treat the oral pharyngeal candidiasis. The adverse effect: nearly 80% of patients treated with amphotericin B develop the nephrotoxicity. Fever, headache, anorexia, GI disturbances are the common side effect. Formulations: the drug is supplied in the various topical forms including 3% cream, 3% lotion as well as 3% ointment, and 100 mg per ml oral suspension. Nystatin, the second drug of this class, antifungal antibiotic, it is again a Pauline antibiotic, was first isolated in 1951. Nystatin is constructed by link the aglycone to mycosamine, and the aglycone portion is called as nystatonolide, contains 8 hydroxyl group, 1 carboxyl group and lactone ester functionality. It consists of 38-member macrolide lactone ring containing a single tetrane and dimoiety separated by 2 methylene groups. Properties: it occurs in yellow to light tan powder, slightly soluble in water, sparingly soluble in organic solvent, and the compound is unstable to moisture, heat and light. Uses: it is used only as a topical agent. Nystatin is used for the treatment of local and gastrointestinal infection caused by Candida albicans and other Candida species. The treatment of cutaneous and mucocutaneous candidiasis is supplied as a cream, ointment and a powder. It is also useful in the treatment of vaginal candidiasis and can be used in combination with other antibacterial agent and corticosteroids. Natamycin. Natamycin is a Pauline antibiotic obtained from culture of Streptomyces species, and the natamycin structure consists of 26-member lactone ring containing a tetrane chromophore, an alpha beta unsaturated lactone carbonyl group, 3 hydroxyl group, a carbonyl group and a trans epoxide and a glycosidically joined mycosamine. Natamycin is used against several yeast infection as well as for fungal infection including Candida aspergillus, penicillium, etc. Non-Pauline, for example, Gruciofulvin. Gruciofulvin was first reported in 1939 by Oxford as an antibiotic obtained from the fungus Penicillium cruciofilum. Chemistry: the structure of Gruciofulvin was determined by Gru et al. And is an example of a spiro compound. Mode of action: Gruciofulvin inhibits the fungal growth by binding to the microtubules responsible for mitotic spindle formation. The drug binds to keratin precursor cell and newly synthesized keratin in the stratum corneum of the skin, hair and nails, thereby stopping the progression of dermatophyte infection. Properties: it is white, bitter, heat-stable powder or crystalline solid that is sparingly soluble in water but soluble in alcohol and other non-polar solvent, and it is very stable when dry. Uses of Gruciofulvin: it is used as an oral fungistatic agent used to treat dermatophyte infection caused by the microorganism Dermatophyton species, Microsporum species, etc. In 1959, Gruciofulvin was introduced into human medicine for the treatment of tinea infection by the systemic route. Adverse effects: the most common one are allergic reaction such as rashes, gastrointestinal upset, headache, dizziness and insomnia are the common adverse effects of Gruciofulvin. Thank you for watching video.